Dear student, I, Mrs. SWAPNA.S.BHAVSAR, welcome you on my channel. Today I will be explaining you DDL and DML statements in my SQL. Here in my laptop I have installed MySQL 8.0 version. So firstly I will explain DDL statements. What is DDL? Data definition language. And under DDL, create, alter, drop. These three statements come. Whereas in DML, that is nothing but data manipulation language, under DML, three statements come: insert, update, delete. So today I will be explaining you all these statements practically. The first statement is to create database. So create database college. College is the name of the database. Likewise, you can create any type of database. So here I am creating college database. So this is the syntax to create database. If I enter, so it will give message query OK. It means my college database has been created. So before executing other DDL statements like create table, alter table, drop table, I have to use this database. So I will use a command use name of the database college and comma. So my database has been changed. Now I am working under college database. Now after creating a database, college database, firstly I will create table. So it is a college database. So I will create table student. Student is my name of the table, and into bracket I will take number of attributes. So roll int is the name or data type of role attribute, and then here I am taking it as a primary key so that roll number will not get repeated. My second attribute is name. Name has data type varchar. Varchar is nothing but variable character for name. And third one, I will take address. Again, address will contain string. So I will have varchar as my data type. Okay. So these are three attributes I have considered for student table. I will close this bracket, end with semicolon, and will enter. So it will give message query OK. It means my table student has been created. If I want to see how many tables are there under college database, so I can execute show tables command so that it will show how many tables are there. Recently I have created only one table student, so it is showing student. If I want to see what is the structure of student table, so I can execute command describe student. So here I can see the structure of the table, how many attributes the student table has, what are the data types, and then what are the key attributes. So here my roll number is acting as a primary key, so it is giving PRI, it means primary key. This is my first DDL statement. Now the second statement, alter table. Alter table is nothing but the command which is used to modify the structure of the table. Recently I have inserted only three attributes, role, name and address. If I want to insert one more attribute to the existing table student, I can insert it by using alter table statement. So alter table add, because I want to add one more attribute in student table. Alter table name of the table student, then add the new attribute which is to be added in student table. So if I take class, alter table student, add class and name of the data type of the class attribute. So here I have added one more attribute class. If I will describe the student table, I can write describe also, or I can write DESC also. Describe student So it will display the attributes and the recent attribute which has been added by this DDL statement alter table. So this is my second statement. If I want to modify the data type of existing an attribute, so I can use alter table statement, alter table student, modify here using modify keyword. Using modify keyword, I can modify the data type of the existing attribute. If I want to modify roll number, so I will write alter table student, modify roll and new data item. So new data item is, data type is varchar, into bracket size of that. So here I have modified data type of role attribute. If I will describe it, so I can see the data type of role key attribute has been changed. Now it's varchar 10. This is my second statement. Now if I want to delete the existing table from the database, for that I will use drop table statement. So drop table, name of the table. So if I execute drop table statement, drop tables table name, then I will delete my table from the database. If you will execute this command, so query okay. It means if I will execute describe student, so it will say college.student does not exist. College is my database, whereas student is my name of the table. So that table has been dropped from the database. Even if I say show tables, so empty set, because now there is no table in my database. So these are three different statements under DDL, data definition language. This is the language which is used to uh, execute, or which is used to modify the structure of the table: create table, alter table and drop table. Okay, so in the next video I will be explaining you DML statement, data manipulation language. Thank you so much.